Are you ready to streamline your business with Vagaro? Today we'll guide you through the steps to set up your Vagaro account quickly and efficiently. Let's dive right in. Open your web browser and navigate to the Vagaro homepage. Click on the login button at the top. You can sign up using Facebook, Google, or Apple, or simply enter your email and create a password. Fill in your first and last name, phone number, and select your gender. Then click sign up. Check your email for verification code sent by Vagaro. Copy this code and paste it into the provided area on the website to complete your registration. Once you have created your account, it's time to set up your business profile. Log into your Vagaro account and locate the settings tab on the left menu. Fill out details about your services, including descriptions, durations, and pricings. If you have a team, add their profiles and set their availability for appointments. Configure your business hours and preferences for client bookings. To make booking seamless for your clients, enable the online booking feature so clients can schedule appointments 24/7. Use automated email or SMS reminders to keep clients informed about their upcoming appointments. Setting up your Vagaro account is straightforward and can significantly enhance how you manage your business. By following these steps, you will be able to know or way to maximize efficiency and improving client satisfaction. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tech tips. Happy scheduling!